Yo, what's up guys? Welcome na naman tayo dito sa aking bagong video. Ayan, don't forget to follow, like, and share. At huwag rin kalimutan guys, mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko. Ayan, ayan pala sa baba. Okay, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Shoutout sa all of you guys. Thank you very much sa mga support natin. Salamat sa mga viewers natin guys ha. Okay, for today's video, pupunta tayo kay Mike. Okay, Mike, punta ako sa'yo. Okay, may mission tayo dito kay Mike guys, okay? Hindi nga.
Oh, hey, there you are. What's cracking? So, we all good?
Hell yeah, we all good. We did.
Yeah, you fucking A right, we did.
Grabe, totoo ba yan? Ay, shoutout sa lahat guys. Shoutout sa 3 million viewers natin. Salamat guys. Patuloy tayo guys dito sa ating GTA 5. Kamusta naman kayo mga bossing natin?
Cheers.
Yeah, let's go.
I hope so.
The whole job. Everything about it. Anyone who knows your file, what is wrong with you?
Davey, long time no see.
And what about Trevor? If that fruitcake realizes, finds out you're alive, you are D-O-N-E fucked.
Don't worry about Trevor. Trevor's
Ay,
dead.
si Trevor, guys. Mukhang dito na si Trevor, guys.
I didn't have nothing to do with it. Whatever the hell it is you're
mukhang
talking
may Trevor na tayo. Kalat na sa Epic. Tignan mo. Sige, boss. Wait lang. Iba yung ano eh. Iba yung sa nabalitaan ko eh. Lakers eh.
Albert Story had a lucky escape when the thieves ran straight into him.
Yeah, I was just doing my job, and I said to this guy, hey, you gotta move these bikes.
Ay, pusang galang mong nahuli kami dito, Lodi Kicks. Ano ba yan? Guys, sorry guys. Usap nila.
The wheels are
SPG guys. Sorry guys sa SPG guys. So, kailangan ko na yung i-skip. No, kailangan ko na i-skip guys. Dapat pala may nakalagay na dito sa stream ko na SPG guys. Sorry. Buti na lang wala pa masyadong viewers guys. Okay guys, for today's video guys, si Trevor na tayo guys. Ito na yung mission para kay Trevor. So, let's go. Ay, mga gusto namin ni 5 eh. Hindi pwede boss. Hindi pwede boss, hindi pwede. Baka ma-report tayo. Ayan, okay, let's go. Okay, let's go guys.
My cousin's there, but I don't find him. Wait,
si Trevor tumitirada. Ano ba naman yun si Trevor?
But not that much of a hurry.
But if we bury John,
lokong Trevor to tumitirada. Okay guys, Trevor tayo ngayon. New character unlock guys. Si Trevor tayo. Let's go. Busit na Trevor to. Walang yan bastos. Guys, ang bastos.
You called her a bitch. Ain't you got a mother?
Everyone got mothers, at least one.
Lokong ka boss ha. Kung ako lang naglalaro boss eh. Why not? Bastos ka naman eh. Nagsisimula pa lang eh. Bumackstab si Trevor. Bumaksak si Trevor par. Grabe naman Trevor yun. Nakakainis naman. Kung hindi lang ako naka-live boss. Nako. Siyempre hindi mo rin mapapanood. Ay, mali tayo guys. Mali. Sorry guys. Mali. Okay, andito na tayo. Trevor,
Ashley Johnny's looking for.
Well, you know, as a matter of fact, I just did, just 10 minutes ago. Yeah, I saw her on the end of this penis here.
Johnny ain't gonna be cool if
may kaaway.
Oh, really? Well, you don't think so, huh? Well, why don't we just ask
may kaaway si Trevor par. Let's go.
Hey, cowboy, you mind that I fucked your old lady? Sorry.
Guys, salamat nga pala sa mga viewer natin sa YouTube ko ha.
No.
Salamat sa mga suporta guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa kayong alamat.
And the only sentient part of you left is this little bit of brain and the gristle on the end of my boot. Well, thank you very much, cowboy.
Bullshit.
Oh, I like it. Denial. That is first part of the grieving process, brothers.
Sa warakan to par.
Well, looks like you got something
Trevor
you want to
Gaming
say.
tayo guys.
You got something you need to say?
This better be bullshit.
Oh, where are you guys going, huh? Let's go, ladies.
Ay pusang gala. Let's go, ladies.
If that van takes us back to the camp, this area ain't gonna have a biker problem much longer.
Ito, tingnan nyo. Oh. Art of focus. Okay. Follow the ban. Follow the ban lang tayo, guys. Follow the ban.
Did you see the look on their faces?
Follow the ban lang tayo, guys. Let's go.
Yeah, thank fuck they didn't make you for the harmless idiots you are.
Okay, follow the ban lang tayo, guys.
Back here, or trapped or something.
I only keep things in the back. I don't mind.
Let's go travel.
Oh.
Dapat pala sumorka tayo dun. Pwede din, no? Follow lang tayo, guys. Follow lang.
Gotta slow it up, man. That's a sharp left. I can't see.
Parang wala ka namang tiwala kay Trevor. Driver yan, par.
There'll be some by that airstrip. Some over, you know, by that. Not today. Their time will soon be upon them.
Follow the track. Gagi!
Make sure you die.
Ang boblocks mo naman, Wade. Dalihan mo, Wade. Hindi ka kasi nakahawak, Wade. Ang gara mo, Wade. Hindi ka kasi nakahawak. Nakakainis. Paano na yan? Boblocks na, Wade. Ang walang ya. Nalaglag. Nalaglag ang kubs, eh, no? Hindi kasi nakahawak, eh. Magtiwala kayo kay Trevor, driver yan. Umawa ka kasi na maayos dyan. Uwit ka.
I got a feeling, yeah, but we gotta make sure.
Once you know, you can drop me and Wade at the trailer. Maybe bring Chef to
Okay,
finish
umawa ka kasi. Yan. Umawa ka lang dyan.
Where are your boys at?
Okay.
No! Where we headed?
Saan ba tayo pupunta, Trevor? Sa tingin mo?
We're right on these bricks.
Sa Galaparo. Shortcut! Shortcut ang tawag doon, guys.
Oh, look, they're pulling up. You did it, Trevor.
Sarap ng bungo
They're
ini.
stopping.
Watch the entrance, boys.
Ay, puwit
No
yan.
one leaves without my express permission.
Paint it bigger.
Ay, gagi. Gera, par. Gera tayo, par. Gera. Gera tayo dito, Gara.
Step right
Pusang
up.
galing, tito.
Step right up.
Warakay mo ka, oh. Okay, punta tayo sa kabila.
Not hog much longer.
Ay, gagi ka na. Sarap mo, Trevor.
Ah!
Okay na dito sa kabila. Dito sa kabila. Wait lang. Okay. Okay, dito. Meron dito. Dito, Trevor.
Gotta
Dali.
use your horn. Have some respect for pedestrians.
Warak, eh.
That'll teach ya. Come
Okay.
out and avenge your fallen comrade.
Tara. Uy, naunahan. Puchak galan. Dami, guys. Yun.
This is hard for me too. I've had to kill half the tweakers in the county.
Tiradahin natin yung ano. Parang may kailangan tayong tiradahin, par. Ito.
On our bikes, are we? Assholes!
Ay, gagi. Ano nangyari? Antelo kasi. Ano nangyari? Kailangan pala, ano tayo rito,
Daddy's going to work.
kailangan hindi tayo basta-basta gumagalaw, guys. Dapat hindi tayo dito, agresibo. Ang gala. Oh, wait lang ito. Ayan. Game, let's go.
Step right up! Step right up!
Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay.
Don't worry! Finding me to go around. You ain't gonna be on that hog.
Sapul. Sapul, okay? Hold C to follow the...
You forgot how to use your horn? Have some respect for pedestrians. Understand your pain, friends. I'm here to offer a way out. Understand your pain, friends.
Sige. Tara. Gagi, saan yun? Okay. Bang! Sabuga makupal! Let's go! Saan pa sila? Oh, ito. No! Nasaan pa sila, guys?
Come out and avenge your fallen comrade!
Okay, let's go. Kalbo ka.
I warned Johnny, and I'll warn you the same.
Huli.
Oh man, you're kidding me. Let's have some fun.
Bang! Sabog yan. Nasaan yung iba? Sabog yan. Nasaan yung iba? Okay, let's go. Ha? Alis tayo?
Can I get you to anything? Soda? Snacks?
Okay, alis tayo rito, guys. Let's go. Dali. Ako yung magdadrive. Alis dyan. Ito na naman si Wade, oh. Ang boplox naman to. Let's go, Wade. Let's go, Wade.
Alright, you looking for motivation?
Oh, yeah. Pick me up some
Ay, hindi na siya
sticky
sasama.
bones.
Putik, hindi na sasama tong boplox na to. Tara, let's go. Lubay tayo dyan.
Ortega lives near here. Let's go see him.
It's one thing messing with tweaked out bikers, but the Aztecas, man.
The Aztecas.
Lubay tayo dyan, let's go. Ay, gagi, sorry guys, sorry.
Anahuac, huh? One of those lizard people?
I got this Chinese contact you can meet at the end. He'll buy all
Chinese,
the
sinong Chinese yan?
Our enterprise.
Sinong Chinese yan?
It's about guns, too. The Aztecas control the guns, so we're taking them out. There he is.
Let's go, Trevor. Ay, gagi. Ano yan?
With the truck? No, come on. Ortega runs the whole county.
Gagi, anong gagawin? Okay, let's go. Push the trail to the... Ay, puwit ka. Game! Bagang! Kala mo, ha? Paalam! Lumangoy ka muna dyan. Anong gagawin natin, Trevor? Shoutout Joel Laruan and shoutout sa inyo, guys. Shoutout sa inyo. Don't forget to like and follow and share na rin, my idol. Para sa mga manulupitan nating kasunod na content dito sa GTA 5.
And crank in this area go through Trevor Phillips Enterprise or they ain't going.
Saying something don't make it true.
You get the picture.
Ano?
I'll go away, man, but my people...
Ano?
I think he gets it. I thought you was crazy, man, not stupid.
Ano?
He's looking at me. The shot callers ain't gonna be happy.
Ano?
You sure you want to do this?
The Aztecas is an international enterprise.
Ano, papatayin ko ba?
They're gonna greenlight you after this.
I don't like the way he's looking at me.
I always let you operate. I didn't have to.
Papatayin ko ba to?
Oh, that feels
Pusin niya na, papatayin nga.
You sure mean business.
Tara. Loko ka, Trevor. Napaka ano mo talaga, tapang mo.
Come on, T, let's go.
Ay, back na tayo, guys, sa Ron's Place. Saan yung Ron's Place dito? Tara. Let's go! Grabe, pinatay ni Trevor, no? Guys, kaya ano to ha, sa mga viewers ko ng mga bata dyan, bawal po sa bata to, SPG. Kung gusto nyo pong manood nito, may idol, sama nyo yung mga magulang nyo. Ayan.
I said events.
Shoutout nga pala mga subscribers natin sa YouTube channel ko, Oli Charl Gaming. Maraming salamat sa suporta, guys. Sa mga gusto nga pala guys sa mga ganitong content pa, guys, at tuloy-tuloy yung upload natin, my idol. Huwag kalimutan mag-like, follow, and share. At don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. At sa mga Facebook followers natin, guys, no, I'd like to thank guys sa mga support na binibigay nyo sa mga tumatambay sa akin dito kapag nag-stream ako. Actually guys, dalawang sokmed to guys, YouTube tsaka Facebook. Facebook live tayo at tsaka YouTube upload. Shout out to all of you guys, 3 million viewers guys, maraming salamat. I love you. Guys, tatapusin natin to guys, tatapusin natin tong laro na to. Dati kapag gusto tapusin to guys, pero yun nga. Shoutout sa inyo. Ngayon lang tayo nagkaroon ng magandang rig or magandang computer. Ano? Grabe Warbrick si Trevor, no? This Trevor for safe house, you can save vehicle by parking in the garage. You can modify your vehicle at any Los Santos Customs Garage, Los Santos. Okay, ito ang pinakamalupitan niyang kama. Ayan, ito ang kanyang tawag dito, damitan. May TV siya guys, pero wala namang channels. Okay, walang signal. Walk around. Okay, sige. Okay, walk around. Save na natin yan. Auto-save tayo. Mission pass, Mr. Phillips. Okay, naka Mr. Phillips tayo ngayon. Let's go. Tattoo parlors na available. Okay, let's go. Siyempre guys, pwede tayo mag-suit kung meron. Okay, wala. Suit pat. Okay, wala. Hoodie. Pwede. Jacket. Ayan. Gusto ko yan. Pants. Ayan. Gusto ko yan. Pwede to. Pwede to. Ito na lang para terno. Shoes natin, guys. To. Okay, let's go. Press ito, interact the pedestrian, okay?
You know I don't like using these things. They're listening.
Then make it quick.
That business thing's been set up. The Chinese guy, Mr. Chang, is at the inn.
You said that on the phone? What the fuck is wrong with you, damn it, Ron? Now I'm gonna have to discipline you and you know how I feel
yung
about
Padre
that.
Tsaka Ron, guys. Okay, may pupuntahan tayo, guys. Siyempre, sabi ko nga, puro main tayo. Okay, puro main quest tayo dito, guys, or main mission. Para mas madali natin matapos. Pero madaming side mission to, guys. Maraming side mission to. Sobrang daming mission to, my idol. Yung mga kakaibang mission meron dito. Pwede kayo dito kung ano-ano gawin nyo. Pwede kayong mag-bar. Pwede kayong mag-inom. Pwede kayong kumuha ng mga chikaka. Ayan. Pwede kayong kumuha ng mga kahit anong gusto nyong sasakyan dito, guys. Okay. Punta tayo kay in-check, guys. Kay Mr. Choi. Mr. Chan. Mr. Choi. Pusa kakanood ko ng... kakanood ko ng guys. Trauma code. Mr. Choi yung nasabi ko. Lumagpas tayo. Dito tayo kay Mr. Tan. Mr. Chan. Okay, let's go.
I can't complain.
Whatever.
Okay, pasok tayo.
What if my wife placed me at my job?
Hop!
Trevor, you're still banned.
Boom! Pusa sa tuka sila, paro!
Whoever wins gets banned.
Bang!
He's one, ban him.
I can't ban him. He's my goddamn husband.
Puti, asawa niya pala yun.
Ain't the internet a beautiful thing, honey?
Anyway, I saved your husband. Now get me a drink. I got a meeting.
Okay, but any more bodies turn up in my bar, I swear, I will not serve you.
Mr. Phillips.
Ito na.
Here he is. Yes, Mr. Chang. Pleasure to meet you.
No, I am Mr. Chang's humble translator.
Ay, pusang gala. Ito si Mr. Chang, pusang gala. Hay na hay, par. Hay na hay si Mr. Chang. Grabe naman Mr. Chang to.
Mr. Tao Chung is pleased to meet your acquaintance.
Oh, yeah,
Opal!
人事，你真是太好了！
你有空就加的来分配的我，这真是我人生中最美好的一刻。
What is wrong with him?
就是这个，来。
I'm out.
No, don't go. Please, I beg you. If you go, his father killed me.
Why do I give a fuck?
You don't. But we hear that Trevor Phillips Corporation is serious
Ay,
business.
pusan nga lang.
We pay
Magandang
good
business
price.
something to ah.
Things work out, we partner, make big money.
I'm rushing.
Well, let me show you the operation.
Eto na the operation.
Sus.
Ika rito, Mr. Cheng. Mr. Cheng pala eh.
Chuck, we're just coming down to see the kitchen.
You can't get here quick enough. The Aztecas are coming. They think you took out Ortega.
They ain't mistaken.
Well, get down here and take them out too.
Sure your boss don't want this crank for his own personal consumption?
No. Mr. Jake Sr. is very specific. He wants good, reliable...
Ay, puwit yan na ba yan? Ang hirap naman ng daan dito. Shortcut pa kasing nalalaman si Trevor eh.
Buy from you here and distribute using established network.
I'm worried that might
Oh,
dilute
eto na.
what our operation...
Liwagan lang guys. Shortcut lang.
Shit, Trevor, we ain't got long.
Whoa. Manners, chef. These are our guests, all right? We got Mr. Cheng and his
humble servant.
Nice to meet you. Trevor, we ain't got long till they get here.
Everything in its time, all right. Gentlemen, please. Come check out the storage
Patay ka ngayon.
facilities. Go on now. Nice, right? There you go. Ample room inside. Mr. Cheng, please, sir, if you will.
Let me out.
Tour will recommence shortly, gentlemen.
Ay, gagi mo. Ang gera na naman, par. Shoutout sa'yo, Dan Christine. Ito na, guys. Gera na naman tayo. Trevor na, guys. Trevor na character natin, guys. More on action to. Ay, tayo dyan.
Ortega has always been cool with us before.
This is a place of business.
Okay. Okay, ano? Sabog ka? Sabog kayo sa akin.
Now I really am gonna put you out of business.
Sabog kayo sa akin, par.
Clean them up, chef. Come on.
Sabog kayo sa akin. Ay, puwit ka. Di, boss, kakaumpisa ko lang din.
We better get on this.
The Aztecas are as bad as the Lost.
Wait lang, guys, ha. Wait lang.
They got
Guys,
the
wait lang
whole
kayo.
crew here. Get off my property.
Hey, fall back. Need a sec. Cover your ass. They're coming up here.
Ano pa? Ano pa? Sino pa? Ay, pusang gala, guys! Sayang, di ko napanood yung karugtong ng last. Oo nga eh. Pero pwede mo i-replay to, boss.
We gotta deal with them.
So, kailangan guys, di tayo pabaya, guys. Di tayo pabaya dito.
They got the whole contingent here. Come on, you Azteca scumbags.
Oh, shit.
This is extremely
Nice one. Ano?
unprofessional. Where's the rest of them, eh?
They're coming around back.
Oh, tiyanggal, ang dami. Ang dami na par. Nasaan na kayo?
gun and made this personal.
Pusang galan, dami guys. Tago sakyan guys, tago sakyan. Yan. Medyo ano tayo, dehado guys, dehado. Medyo dehado, kabila ulit. May nakapasok guys, may nakapasok. May nakapasok ba? Ay, sa kabila.
I think they're coming through the shop. Let's get to the front.
Did you just try to tell me what to do?
Whoa, damn.
Pusang gala kayo, eto na, nag-rage na. Ay. Nag-rage na guys. Nag-rage na siya guys, oh, grabe ang angas.
Go back to the lab and get me a damage report.
Kaya kayo?
I gotta let our potential business partners out of the ice chest.
Okay.
All right, time to recommence the tour, gentlemen.
Putsang gala, hinahayan, icebox pala yun. Ano nangyari? Ang nangyari, boss, bali dito kasi sa GTA 5 may 3 character tayo. So, may main character natin si Mike, si Franklin, at yung pangatlo guys, ito si Trevor. Kung napanood mo yung first episode nito, yung part 1 nito, yan, sila yung magkakasama. Si Trevor, si Mike, si Franklin, at saka si yung isa, sino ba yun? Yung magaling na yung kasama ko sa Haze, yung nagplano ng Haze, nakalimutan ko pangalan. Off-road race na available. Okay, let's go. Ngayon mission naman ni Ngayon mission naman ni Trevor ang ating gagawin. Okay, let's go. Shout out sa lahat. Okay, let's go. Punta muna tayo sa Bating Balay. Let's go. Gagi, sira yung sasakyan ko, par. Kulot ka! Shoutout nga pala kay Ryan Fabile. Shoutout sa'yo, boss. Kamusta naman ang works? Yan, okay naman yan. Smooth naman yan. Smooth naman. Yan, smooth naman sa cellphone pag pinapanood mo. Okay, guys, dito muna tayo sa ating munting tahanan ni Trevor. Grabe yung guys, grabe yung Grabe, bali wala pa mission si Panyero mo. Wala! Tapos na yung mga mission sa kanila kay Franklin tsaka kay Trevor. Ay, Franklin tsaka kay Mike. Tapos na yung mission. Pero, after na kay mission neto kay Trevor, yan, pwede ko ulit sila piliin after neto. Kasi ang mangyayari neto po sa pagkakalam ko, mag-ano ulit sila bubuin nila yung grupo nila before. Para sa manupitang plano nila. Diba?
Those pathetic midlife crisis, hog-riding, shaven-headed, fruity leather, chapped-wearing fucking assholes.
Pusang gala, yun ang angas nun, guys.
They're chapped-wearing assholes.
Wait, you little shit. Whoa. Hey, Michael fucking Townley, right? Bitch wife, 2 kids, 45. Find him.
Los Santos is a big
parang sinto to no?
You are fucking useless.
May sugat nga eh.
Huh? Find out who did that fucking robbery, all right? And if Michael Townley lives there or anyone matching his description, I'm gonna kill you and your fucking cousin.
Ay kasi niya pala yun si Mike. Tsaka nangyari, boss, na-trending yung
Now smile.
Na-trending yung robbery nila ng jewelry. Na-report sa buong buong bansa. Tapos nalaman ata ni Trevor yon. yung ano, yung jewelry na yon. Tapos parang ano siya ngayon, parang intriga, naiintriga siya kung sino nga yung mga ano, yung gumawa nung plano na yon. Ayan. Kaya eto. Si Trevor naman tayo, guys.
Go to Sandy Shores Airfield. Check it out.
Dali mo. Okay, ammunition tayo, guys.
I'll come in your ear when I get a hold of you.
Tagalang may pulis. Kala ko huli na ako ng pulis, guys.
I need a sniper rifle with a high-power scope. They say they support local business. Well, we're about to find out if that's true.
Anong gagawin?
Melvin, how you feel about brand synergy, huh? TP Industries, ammunition. Good, because you're about to make a corporate gift of a rifle, a high-powered scope, and a suppressor.
Take whatever you want, Trevor. I can't afford another fire.
Pusang ka lang yan. Ayan.
That's the rifle I need.
Parang kailangan natin ng one shot. Ito lang naman, sniper rifle, pre.
That's the chestnut. You got a scope and a suppressor for this?
Okay, scope tayo.
They won't hear me coming.
Okay na. Get advanced scope for sniper rifle. Okay, advanced scope. Saan tayo kukuha ng advanced scope? Baka dito pa rin. Kukuha ka ng baril at bomba. Onsihan sila, panyero mo. Kaya nga. Sniper ano? Okay, advanced scope.
Alright, now stop selling weapons to that half-wit Cletus.
Okay, let's go. May advanced scope na tayo. Kaysa tayo pupunta. Okay na tayo sa ano, sa truck natin, okay. Sundan lang natin yung truck natin, yung yellow truck natin.
Ron, I got the gun. Meet me at the water tower just north of the airfield.
Okay, let's go.
Of course there are! Two planes are touching down the field on a weapons run! We're gonna wait till the right time and appropriate them!
Ay, pusang galayan. May tropa tayo dito.
We are!
I'm up here. I don't see the
Ano pa naman ako bumaril?
but I do see a hell of a lot of bikers.
Hardware's not here yet. I'm coming up. We gotta wait till
medyo bano pa naman ako bumaril.
Should give you the time to plan.
Meron kasi akong ano par eh.
Really?
Meron kasi akong ano par, yung ano tawag doon, yung pasma sa kamay. Pasmado kasi kamay ko eh. Ako pa sa bulsa. Pasmado kasi yung kamay ko.
Enough waiting. This is your moment, Ronald. Whenever you get a doubt,
look down the side and zoom to the scope using.
The scope of a high-powered rifle.
Right, Trevor. Right. Got it.
Now relax. The ATV can only take you so far. Park it and don't let them spot you.
Can you see me, Trevor? Trevor? You see me?
Kasi tanga.
You wouldn't believe this, Ron. One of these assholes is having a seizure or something.
That's me. That's me.
Apo, tanggalin ka pala.
Move on.
I'm moving. Just keep me covered, okay?
Hindi. si Ron gagi. Kakalulo.
They got a guard at the bottom of those steps. Under the control tower.
Raulo ka. Take out the biker. Nasaan?
There.
Wait lang!
There, Trevor.
Guy.
Okay na!
You're walking like you shat yourself. Move.
Uwit ka. Bariling kita eh. Bariling kita eh.
I can hear an engine. They'll see that body.
I already shot the light, so you can calm
Ay,
down.
yung light.
Now, don't smoke the guy in the van until he stops and gets out.
Ah, pusang gala. Okay, wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Pumark ka ng maayos, patay ka sa akin. Huh? HB yung karakter mo. Now, mas HB ka kay Panyero. Sorry guys, mali. Ayun pala siya.
ATV can only take you so far. Park it and don't let them spot you.
Can you see me, Trevor? Over by the road. Here, by the road.
Saan na yan? Oh, yan.
You wouldn't believe this, Ron.
Kita na kita ron.
One of these assholes is having
Dali
a
mo.
seizure or something.
That's me. That's me.
Ay, sinabi ba wag? Kala ko babarilin agad. Alam mo namang high blood ako eh, ha? Kala ko babarilin agad. Sorry. Okay na, sige na.
Keep it moving.
Shit! I hear an engine. They're gonna see that guy you shot.
You can relax because lights are out already.
Good. Well, don't shoot the guy in the van until he stops.
Don't shoot the guy in the van. Okay, sorry. Huwag nga babarilin. Bakit binaril ko? Nanggigigil ako eh. Anong gagawin ko? Nanggigigil ako. Ha? Okay, sige. Kakalma na ako.
I think he's just calling the dead guy. You can erase him now. He's out. You can put him down.
If the man wants to pay his respect, I ain't one.
Okay na.
Seen the look on his face. There's a guy coming out of the control tower. Take him out. Shit. He's gotta go.
And they all
Pusang gala.
tumbling down.
Oh no.
Ano mo, tikpa ako dun, ha?
Tower. Another guy's on his way. Clean shot, Trev. There's another guy at the top of the tower. He's probably looking for his buddy.
So long, sailor.
Get your sights back on me, Trev. I'm scared. Get your sights on me, man. I can't move till I'm covered.
Ayan na, nandyan na. Huwag kang matakot, ako bahala sa'yo.
There's no one left to kill, so get over to that gas tank and plant the bomb.
I'm on it, but there's a guy coming out of that building, I think. I can hear him. There's
Okay.
another guy coming out of the building. Good kill, Trevor.
Okay na. Huwag ka na magalit, I got you. I'm on your back, Laward. I'm on your back.
I'm fixing it. Don't let him sneak up on me, okay? And watch out for the tank. It'll go up if you hit it. Someone's coming. He's gonna get me before I finish. Shit, he's on to me. This is it. He clocked me. A bolt from the blue.
Okay.
Can you hear that? Chopper, incoming.
Always hated that chopper. Just fucking drive. You're bikers.
It's looking for us, T. We ain't gonna get him
Ano?
when they got tactical superiority.
If I hit the chopper, everyone's gonna know we're here.
Try and hit the pilot when he's settled.
Pusang gala, wait lang. Oh, sige. Magtiwala ka, wait lang. Okay na. Ano gagawin natin, Trevor? Pucha, ang dami. kailangan ng armas.
One dead biker is as good to me as another.
Sige, ito, gera na naman, guys.
Man's home is sacred.
Kita mo yan? Ay, gagi. Pusang gala, sorry, boss. Tangina, kailangan, di talaga tayo, agresibo. Kailangan nag-iisip tayo, Gar. Tara. Tulungan natin si Ron. Anta naman na ito tumutok.
Is as good to me as another.
Sige, wait lang, Ron. Pusa, ang sakit para.
I'm afraid I gotta
ang sakit para.
Weaponry.
Wait lang. Pulado ako, Ron.
Now start that plane. I'm hoping this change of management will be as painless as possible.
Pulado ako, Ron. Wait lang, Ron.
Come on, man. Get in the plane.
Ito na, Ron. Wait lang, Ron. Ay, pusang gala ka. Ay, ano pala? Sasakay pala kami. Guys, ito na, guys. Sasakay kami. Nice one. Sasakay si Ron sa'yo. Boss, hindi. Ako yung... Pucha. Aray!
Time to trigger those explosives on that gas tanker.
Boom! Let's go, Ronald! Patayin kita eh.
Get me to that plane.
Ito, nabuhay pang siraulo.
Get me to my plane, Ron.
Kaya naman ito mga to. Ba't nabuhay pa tong mga to? Ay, gagi na dyan ka pala.
Let's go, Ronald.
Let's go, pasok. Uy, gagi. Uy!
This one for you, perfect shot trick.
Ay, gagi, mag-aeroplano tayo.
Suppose there's room for a passenger.
W wants up speed to take off.
Taking receipt of these guns is in a boat just off the coast. I am aware of this.
Well, you gotta get off. Do a roll or something.
Well, the man on my way presents no immediate danger. I'll do my
Uy, gagi! Wait lang, guys, ha? G.
Fine, I feel safe.
Ano ba? Kasi may meow. Gagi, ang hirap, guys! Pusang gala. Guys, ang hirap. Wait lang, guys. Pusang galang meow yun, ha? Sad. Grabe. Okay na. Ano ba mag-drive na ito, guys?
I told my contact to meet us just off the coast.
Hey, there's a biker on your wing, Trevor.
I am
Tier
aware
8
of
using
this.
584.
You gotta get off. Do a roll or something. Oh, there he goes.
Come on, boys.
yung mga ano na to, par? Alisin ko nga muna to. Okay.
Fine. I feel safe.
Uy, uy, uy!
The guy who's taking receipt of these guns we were heading out to the coast, just off the coast.
Usang gala! Ang hirap! Gagi, ang hirap! Okay. Okay.
I told my contact to meet us just off the coast.
Hey, there's a biker on your wing, Trevor.
I am aware of this.
Well, you gotta get him off. Do a roll or something.
Well, the man on my wing presents no immediate danger.
Usang
I'll
galang
do my
hirap,
best
Gar.
to oblige you.
So, who might this buyer be?
There's only two
Okay.
places this kind of hardware is gonna go.
Okay.
Up north to our Canadian
Papaano rin
cousins
ako,
where
yo.
the lost we're likely to be sending them.
Okay.
Or our other neighbors, those in the south, our Mexican brothers.
Ay, puwit ka. Ang hirap, usang gala.
Why would you make an
Hindi ka tulad
assumption
pag
like that?
sa joystick, madali eh.
Why is it obvious? Spell it out for me before I order you to fly that plane into a mountain.
Because of where you used to operate. Weren't you pulling scores in North Yankton and running cargo over the border?
Oh.
Hey!
Yeah, sure I was.
Pucha, ito na.
That's him. Let's do it.
Ang hirap, guys, pati yung ulo ko. Tora-tora yan eh, kaya nga eh. Tama, tora-tora. Alam nyo ba guys, sa tora-tora dati, ano yan? Palaging meron dito dati yan. Ang mahirap nito, par, kung paano natin to ipapark. Pucha. Ang mahirap nito, paano na... Uy!
Shipment
Usang
successfully
gala.
delivered, Ron. Now remember, if you beat me to the airstrip, I'll butcher your carcass and wrap
Okay.
it in cheesecloth.
Ay. Eto na.
You wouldn't really do that to me, would you?
Eto na.
I ain't a trained Air Force pilot like you. I can just about get where I'm going, but I don't
Eto na. Paano na to, guys?
fast or slow.
Then get better at it, or
Uy,
fly
pusang
through a
gala.
barn.
Would a barn slow me down?
Yeah, it might do. Or it might kill you instead.
I'm just gonna fly normal, and I'll rely on you getting there quicker.
Nahihilo ko.
Braver than I thought.
Keep low, over the swamp, boss.
Magaling, mag-landing ka na. Kaya nga, boss eh.
Yeah, guy in the boat is Oscar Guzman. He's in with the cartels.
If there's a market, this could be a way to expand the
Okay. Steady, guys. Steady.
We might be able to buy into Oscar's thing, but leave that to me,
Steady.
I'm sorry to ask this, but
Steady.
contact pay well for this.
Steady, dahan-dahan ng pagbaba, guys. Dito na nga pala sa piloto nyo, pinaka-pogi. Pogi piloto na si Boss Holly.
Oh, he pays. Better than any in this sorry country.
That's good to hear, man.
We'll
Eto
talk
na.
about the exact split when we're grounded, okay?
All right, T.
Eto na. R to press focus. Okay. R to press focus. Gagi, saan ba? Saan ba? Pusang gala par. Pusang gala! Captain Oni Bayula, guys, ang hirap na...
Shipment successfully delivered, Ron. Now remember, if you beat me to the airstrip,
Uy!
I'll butcher your carcass.
Di
and
promise,
wrap
guys,
it
ang
in
hirap, guys,
cheesecloth.
promise. Uy! Ang Ang hirap eh. Sige.
Beat me and you'll see.
Nilito ako. Maraming salamat guys. Binigla mo. Hindi, ano siya? Humangin. Umangin, boss.
Then get better at it or fly through a
Sige,
barn.
ito na lang. Sige. Tataas muna tayo. Tataas muna tayo. Ayan, tataas muna tayo guys. Yan. Steady. Steady. Yung ano, WSD yung ano natin. Okay, steady. Yan, yan. Steady. Yan.
Guy in the boat is Oscar Guzman. He's in with the cartels.
Oh, boss, nandun nyo. Ay, siya. Ito na, ito na.
Like I hadn't thought of that. We might be able
Okay,
to
steady.
buy the Oscar's thing, but leave that to me, Ron.
Steady, steady guys, steady. Steady guys, ito na, ito na. Unang pag ano natin guys. Unang pagsakay natin sa Tora Tora dito sa GTA 5. Steady lang tayo, steady.
Better than any in this sorry country. We'll talk about the exact split when we're grounded, okay?
All right, T.
Tanong. Ang tanong. Our focus the landing trip, reduce your speed. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, reduce your speed. Tang-inis, par! Bullshit! Kailangan pala malayo pa lang tayo.
If you beat me to the airstrip, I'll butcher your carcass and wrap
Ay, kaya kailangan pala malayo pa lang tayo. Hindi na natin pinipindot yung W.
Beat me and you'll see.
Oo nga, boss. Ala, di talaga piloto, boss. Oo, pangarap ko to eh. Pangarap ko to, boss, maging piloto ng bata ako. Dito na lang mangyayari, guys eh. Dito na lang mangyayari, guys, yung pusang ka na. Dito na lang mangyayari, guys, yung ano, pinapangarap kong piloto. Kaya supportahan nyo ako, guys. Okay, game. Ito na yun.
Mexico. Yeah, guy in the boat is Oscar Guzman. He's in with the cartels.
Yan, okay, game.
Like I hadn't thought of that. We might be able to buy into Oscar's thing, but leave that to me, Ron.
Grabe ka naman, boss. Ito pa nga lang, nag-aaral pa nga lang ako, boss eh. Eto na guys yung piloto. Eto na yun eh, oh.
We'll talk about the exact split when we're grounded, okay?
Okay, ito na guys. Ito na, syempre, piloto. Kaya hirap magpiloto guys eh. Kapag hindi ka marunong, patay talaga mga sakay sa'yo. Ito na, ito na, ito na. I-cheer nyo naman ako. I-cheer nyo naman ako. Oh, walang trial lang error bro. Patay talaga. Uy, i-cheer nyo naman ako, boss. Ito na. Ito na, ito na. Ito na, ito na. Ay, pusang ka lang, mali. Ito na. Ay, magtiwala naman kayo. Ayan na. Yan namang gama. Paano ako babalik dito? Mas paano ako babalik ko yung aeroplano? Ginawa kong ano eh, oh? Ginawa ko sa sakyan, par! Umalis kayo dyan, Gar! Umalis kayo dyan! Par, umalis kayo dyan, par! Ano ba yun? Uy, huwag kayong ano dyan. First time ko, guys, ha? First time ko. Huwag kayong ano. Okay, dito tayo sa highway. Itong aeroplano, guys, na bumabiyahe sa highway. Ang angas, guys. So, safe na safe, oh. Guys, ang angas. Safe na safe, par. Ay, gagi! Langya ka, muntik pa sumabog, par! Putang. Ha? Di ako papayag na hindi ito maano, guys.
Now remember, if you beat me to the airstrip, I'll butcher your carcass and
Sumabog.
wrap you in cheesecloth.
Ay, Olichar, huwag kang matilt. Olichar, huwag kang matilt. Simpleng mission lang to. Olichar, huwag kang matilt. Simpleng mission lang to, par.
Successfully delivered, Ron. Now remember, if you beat me to the airstrip, I'll
Nandun na
butcher
ako,
your
eh.
carcass and wrap you in cheesecloth.
Game. Pantayin natin. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Pusang gala. Sorry mga boss, ha? Sorry mga boss.
Beat me and you'll see.
Karagis yan. Naka 5 times na ata. Di mo lang hirap talaga, promise. Pero sige, ito na. Sige po, sige boss.
Mexico. Yeah, guy in the boat is Oscar Guzman. He's in with the
Gagi,
cartels.
ano. Ito na boss, ito na boss, ito na boss.
Like I hadn't thought of that. We might be able to buy into
Uy!
Oscar's thing,
Pusang
but
gala.
leave that to me, Ron.
I'm sorry to ask this, but
Sarap sa ano bumiyahe ng ganyan, no? Hilo ka talaga, no? Ganyan yung ano, ganyan, no? Ayun, no? Hilo ka talaga dyan, no?
Oh, he pays. Better than any in this sorry country.
That's good to hear, man.
We'll talk about the exact split
Gala,
when we're
guys, oh.
grounded, okay?
All right, T.
Patayin na natin. Oh, ito na, ito na. Perfect landing. Freak.
You're the better man, as if there was any doubt.
Pusang gala! Yes! Perfect landing! Napakaangas! Nakalimang try, guys. Perfect landing.
I think that was
Palakpakan nyo naman ako, guys. Palakpakan nyo naman ako.
Statue.
That was a mighty fine statue, Trev.
That was a mighty fine piece of plastic shit. But there is no price for emotional attachment. I mean, you might forego your cut to alleviate my heartache.
I might? Yeah, I mean, I will. Good idea.
Walang diyong angas,
Time to
par.
dwell on that now, because we got more runs, Ron. If there is one thing that they need south of that big fence, it is guns.
Trevor Phillips Industries. Technical expertise, managerial innovations, unstoppable.
Oh, that's right. Now go. I need to meditate, or masturbate, or both.